Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Zuzi on the track.
Ghost pepper, look. I eat one, 4 or 5. Give me, boy. 4 or 5. 4 or 5. 4 or 5 right now. Got the water right there, bro. You straight? Yeah, you really is straight. I know you got it. All right. You know I got it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you know get this shit done. Ghost pepper? Ghost pepper. Ghost pepper? This one? Yeah. Donkey. You was dumb as fuck. You crazy? You dumb. What the f? Oh shit, you should've known that shit. They ain't drooling, nigga. Oh, I thought that shit. This man finna die. Oh shit. You just swallowed it like that? Oh yeah. This nigga eyes turning red. Really? He dead. It's a really shit. What the f? You gotta count that shit? What the fuck? That shit was not sweet. Oh shit. Why your eyes look like that? Oh shit. Oh shit. Eat 3, 4, 10. Alright, come on. Go ahead. 10, bro. Go ahead, go ahead. You know, put all 3 of them. Put all 3 of them in your mouth. Look. Hey, give him the big one. Give him the big one. Because he's doing 3. Alright, put all 3.
I can't do it, bro.
All 3, all 3. Chew it. Wow. You gotta swallow it for the 10. Swallow it for the 10. No, you gotta swallow that motherfucker first. Huh? You gotta swallow that motherfucker first. I can't do this shit in 9th grade. But that shit have my What you say? You ready? Look up.
April.
Look at me, look at me. Hey, bro, I don't want that damn You can't even breathe. Yo, you gotta swallow that shit, bro. No, you didn't swallow all of it. You gotta swallow that shit. This nigga's crying.
Oh, shit. I feel you, bro. I was crying in one too, but I couldn't help that shit. That shit was just flowing.
Yo, the fact that this man is actually crying. You know, water, man.
Yo, she finna be
He came up with the put your hands up, nigga. Somebody went to the what's it called, clinic today, cause they got fucked up. Their mouth was burning.
Bro.
Somebody went straight to the clinic.
Bro, my stomach f***ed up right now, bro. I seen that eat that shit.
All right, grab one out. Eat it. Eat it. Stop being.
You gotta do it fast.
Don't be a.
Do it fast.
Okay.
It's hot.
Hot.
I need you to have a seat.
Nigga. Zai. Okay, so this nigga just ran out the class. Oh, fuck. I think what happened when you left the class?
I went to the bathroom.
You went to the
I
bathroom.
started sweating extremely hard. My stomach started hurting. I had to make myself throw up to get the freaking, whatever the shit is called, out of my
pepper?
Yeah, the ghost pepper out. And then they freaking took me in a freaking wheelchair and was like, nigga, are you gonna die? And I'm like, no.
Yeah. He said it was Randy.
Yeah, somebody was throwing up blood.
Randy. Cause he ate 3, you know that?
He had 3 of them.
He ate 3.
You stripped out. Bro, that junk hurt so bad off one.
Bro, do it, bro.
I'm really not gonna eat it.
Let me see. Come on, y'all both eat at the same time.
Ooh, they smell nice.
Oh, you tripping. Alright. Do y'all see this? Oh my god. This stink. Y'all get closer, y'all get closer. Get closer. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Noah, come on. I'm scared too. Shit. You ready?
3.
You ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Rush it. Don't be no game name. Put it in. Chew it. You're not even chewing. You gotta chew it.
It was burning in my nose. I can't.
Why did you spit it out?
You have to chew it. Come on. You wasted it.
It was burning
You wasted it.
in my nose. It was burning in my nose. I can't do that.
Bro, you chew it up. Chew it up, bro.
Come on, stop. You're wasting it. Come on,
Just wasting it. Just put it back in your mouth. Come on.
For real,
come
put
on.
it back.
It's not that hot. It's not. I'm crushing the seeds.
You crushing the seeds?
Come on, do it. You got it.
Come on, put it back in your mouth. What the fuck's you got going on? It's still gonna be hot, you dumbass.
Hell no. Hell no. Hell no.
Are you stupid? What are you?
Get the Fiji. Get the Fiji. I swallowed this word.
What is it? It's my.
Shit, let me get some water. Give me some fucking water.
Watch back, bro.
Bruh.
What are you doing?
Hell no.
Stop rubbing your face. You're gonna fucking. Your eyes are gonna burn.
fire.
I gotta spit, but I don't want to spit on the floor. No, give me the water.
Look at this thing. Look.
Go over there. Go over there.
Look at you. No. He hogging the water.
Bro, niggas is crazy. I thought it wasn't gonna be that hot. She better go. She said she was gonna go to the clinic. I don't know what she's doing. Slider. Nigga. So how was it? What if I'm allergic? Oh. Somebody, did I tell you somebody went to the clinic? Because they ate one of these? Take it and hang it off. What's the clinic?
He ate it.
What? Yeah, he ate it.
When you breathe out, it gets hotter. I'm trying to breathe through my nose.
No, just don't breathe.
My tongue is burning.
Just don't breathe.
And my stomach is
You only ate
burning.
one though. Imagine
My
eating
stomach
three.
is burning.
Imagine eating three. Somebody ate three, and he had to go to the clinic. He
I'm
went
about
to
to
the.
cry. Like, for real, like,
He ate 3?
He ate three. He went to the clinic.
I'm about to cry.
He left the class.
What class?
Where you get a drink? You're welcome.
In 3 minutes, you gon' feel that, because acid and juice makes it worse.
Oh, his stomach gonna be full.
Yo, you're not a doctor, bro.
You
My
good?
lips a little tingly.
What do you think about it? What you think about it?
But hold on, my lips a little tingly. Can I get some of that water?
Trying to get some. Yo, it's a. Don't recommend. Bro went to go get some more water.
He went to go get some more
Pretty
water.
sad. Somebody's finna come back in here and they finna eat one too on me. And they
They
doing it
did.
for free. We ain't getting no more money out. Yeah, baby, yeah.
There you go.
Just eat it.
like
Just eat it, bro. Put it in your mouth.
Three.
You OD'd. You already touched it.
Y'all ain't got no more water. It's a setup.
You got just get some water afterwards.
Afterwards.
The whole thing, the whole thing, the whole thing. But they not the stem. Go ahead. Chew it up. Why you looking
Why are you looking at me like that?
Because I'm looking at your face. Eat the rest. Gotta get the stem. You gonna leave the rest? That's the best
That's
part.
the end of it. That's
It
the
must
end.
not be hot. It can't be hot.
You want to try one? Why not? Don't say it. It's not hot? It's not hot?
It is hot. This shit getting hot.
Then where the water at?
Now, I know it doesn't set me up. And I'm light skinned, so I'm gonna be
Bro
ready.
took water. He said he's gonna bring it back full. Sarah, your turn. He's bringing it back right now. Here, how is by the time you get done, he's gonna bring it back.
He died. I was.
Just the whole pepper. His veins popping out your head. Johnny.
Eat one.
Stand up. Why you stand up?
Eat one real quick.
Stay
No,
right
you gotta
there,
eat the whole
son.
thing. Eat the whole thing.
The whole thing. The whole thing. Sit down right here. So we can record y'all.
Go ahead.
Hey, shit, thinking hell. Let me pick a new one.
No, bro.
There's
No
another
one
one
left
left,
and
and
it's
it's
small.
It's just crumbs.
Go ahead.
Let me take a crow.
Come on, bro.
I got the hiccups too.
Chew it. Look at me. Look at me.
That ain't been hot.
You stupid.
Oh, shit. It hurt me. Fuck.
It hurt to breathe. It hurt to breathe.
Did you swallow it yet?
Oh, bro, stop doing that, bitch. Man, I don't. Hell no.
What the fuck swallowing?
Yeah, I swallowed that bitch.
Your eyes red as that nigga turned to red. That nigga took off to get some water. Who took off to get some water? Amy. Can't think about life.
Why y'all set him up like that, man?
Hey, Georgia, ask bro if you want to do it. Hey, Reed, you want to do something?
What?
For YouTube?
Depends. I'm not eating that.
A ghost pepper?
I just seen them in there. I eat it for some money.
I give you a 5.
A 10.
Hell no.
You gotta
Plus
eat.
tax.
You gotta eat all
Plus
the rest
tax.
of the but you gotta eat all the in there.
Hell no, I'm not. And I'm already eating hot. I'm already eating hot.
That's not hot though. This is hot.
I know. OMG, not enough. But look though, what's wrong with my post?
You are. Wait, bro.
They said people have grown up blood from them. They said Mr. Robinson looking for the people who got it.
Oh yeah, that did.
He's
Hey, no,
capping.
no, no. That nigga was throwing up blood after he ate this. You heard me? That nigga. She said niggas are throwing up blood from this.
But stop shopping at Ace.
Hey, back in the bag. I didn't get my car. I'm about to leave. Six should go to the car.
He's gonna go sit in the car and cry.
So you know the dude that took it before me?
Yeah, the dude that took it before you.
Yeah, the dude took it from me. I went into the nurse's room.
You went to
Like
the
y'all
nurse's
saw,
room.
I'm about to show you a clip. I'm gonna get to it. But then I recorded it when I was in there. I didn't record when the dude was rolling down on the ground, and he had like saliva on the ground, just rolling like this, like he was possessed or something like that. But like, don't do ghost peppers.
Somebody was in there throwing up blood. That's what. That's what.
That's probably what he was doing. He was throwing up. Yes, and he was on it. When I walked in, he was rolling on the ground. So yeah. My case wasn't that bad, but his.
He ate 3.
I had 1. I almost died. It was still burning.
We looked it up. It says 1 can kill you. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
What happened?
No, talk to me though. Talk to me though. Oh,
Talk to him.
Look. They all went to the clinic.
No, I didn't go to the clinic.
What happened?
No, I swallowed a little bit. So
No, you didn't.
Yes,
It didn't go
did.
down.
I swear to God. I swear I swallowed like this much.
Right.
So
How much
look,
you swallow?
like this much.
All right, go ahead.
So I had went.
Bro, can I just look?
Look, I had went up to Mr. Polite, and I heard him.
You gotta grab me one.
Look, check it. And I
Y'all.
And I heard him talking to somebody on the phone about it. He was like, man, I gotta deal with these kids. Somebody ate a ghost pepper, and now they in the clinic and shit. And I was like trying to act like I ain't know shit. I'm like, what happened? He's like, one dude's in there, he was throwing up, and then one of them was in there with his shirt off because he was hot. Was that you?
My jacket on.
Yeah, that was him. And then, yeah, that was really it. But like, my hair was hurting for like 30 minutes.
Bro, what?
But, like right here, like my lips and shit was like.
Cause you was spitting it out and wiping it on your face.
Yeah, you was doing it.
Play the clip.
Are you stupid, Woody?
Hell no. Fuck no.
That technically the school is liable because it's happening in school. So what does that mean? It default back to you. He has some kind of reaction to it. He was in there straight screaming, yelling. Then he threw up. He went into the bathroom right across from the lab. You know where Mr. Holland lab is? Yeah. He went to that bathroom. He was screaming. About 10 kids ran down the hallway, said something happening to some boy. He in there screaming. I walk in there. I see blood, literal blood, on the floor coming in. I'm like, what the hell's going on? So I turn the corner. This dude got his whole face in the sink, trying to put water and stuff on his mouth, and he coughing up blood, and he coughing up. So I'm thinking somebody that gave him like some pill or something. I ain't know nothing about no pepper thing. I didn't even know about Zaire at that point. So I'm like, you know what's going on? He can't even talk, like tongue swole up or whatever. So I'm thinking he on some drugs or something. So I'm calling the nurse to come down there to get him. I'm calling his dad. They about to call the ambulance and all that, right? Down there, he can start talking. And I was like, man, what you took? And I'm thinking to say some drug or something like that. He's like, I had the pepper. I was like, what? What you talking about? I got the ghost pepper. I was like, man, But he coughing up and whatever. But see, so at least now I knew it wasn't no drugs, so I canceled the ambulance. Listen, ask anybody who was downstairs second period. You can hear him all the way in the middle of the hallway. Now he in that little corner right there.
Right.
I was all the way by polite office, and I could hear him screaming. You know what I'm saying? So he had some kind of reaction, man. Or it could just be he's soft. If y'all got Jim, just go on in. It ain't that's for no pay.
All right, appreciate it.
Thank you.
Won't have it again. Joseph, we almost killed somebody. Joseph, we almost killed somebody, bro.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
With the ghost pepper, bro.
This nigga was coughing out blood.
I'm recording, but I'm so serious. Like that's why we were just in there.
That's why
he was
Mr.
like,
Robinson
bro was coughing up blood.
Oh
Here,
no, this is bad.
This is
really bad.
Oh, you seen him throwing up?
Yeah, bro. He told. I was in there. He told me to go get somebody because he needed help.
Oh, that's
I threw up blood 6 times.
You threw up blood 6
times. And shit out my ass. Shit fire out my ass. Throwing up blood. And I'm fucking drinking faucet.
Why the f*** you there?
You alive? That nigga, damn! Sit there like this, bro. I was like, oh my god, I can't do this. I'm gonna die.
Yo, it's a.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Zuzi on the track.